Hey, this is Dave Ing. Just a quick video to show you how to remove the trunk latch on the 2004 to 2008 Acura TSX. Got the trunk latch here. It's underneath the carpeting for the trunk. And so what you'll see here is that you'll remove this rubber pad. It's kind of jammed in there. It'll pop out. And then there are also these two clips that you'll remove on this side. And I just, for this video, I just did it on this side. You'll see the latch sitting in there. There is a 3-pin plug that you'll remove. And you just pull that out. And there's also two 10mm bolts right there. So that's all it is. You just get those 10mm bolts out and the trunk latch will drop down. You'll see the 10mm bolts right there just kind of fell out. The latch drops down, and the last thing you remove is this cable right here. It'll just pop out from this side. And that releases the trunk from the handle that's right next to the driver's seat in the cabin. Okay, and that's it. It's a nice looking latch. And follow the link in YouTube if you need one. If I have them in stock, you can have one of mine. Thanks a lot. Have a good one.